In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automations in Monday.com. First, head to Monday.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, remember that automations are set up per board. So start by choosing the board where you want the workflow to run. Look to the left sidebar, find your board in the list, and click to open it. Make sure you have the right board selected because the automation you create will only apply here. With the board open, go to the top right and click Automate. This opens the Automation Center, which is where you design the rules that save you time. Think of an automation as a simple sentence. When something happens, then do something else. You'll see two paths. You can use a template or build from scratch. Templates are great if you want a quick, proven setup. They're organized by use case, so you can browse and pick a ready-made rule, then adjust the details to fit your team. If you're new to automations, a template can help you understand what's possible without starting from a blank canvas. If you prefer full control, choose to build from scratch. You'll start by selecting the trigger in the When This Happens section. This is the event that kicks everything off. For our example, choose item created. That means every time a new item is added to this board, the automation will run. You can always refine triggers later to target specific groups or conditions, but item created is a clear universal starting point. Next, set the action in the Then Do This section. This is the result you want after the trigger fires. Select Create Subitem. This is useful if every new item needs a standard breakdown of tasks or details beneath it. You can typically customize the sub-item's name and fields to match your team's process, so think about a consistent naming pattern that makes it easy to scan and report on later. When you're happy with the trigger and action, click Create Automation to save it. Give it a clear name so teammates understand what it does, and confirm the automation is turned on. A quick way to validate everything is to add a new item on the board and check that the sub-item is created automatically. If it doesn't run, review the trigger and action settings and make sure you're on the correct board. That's it. Your board now handles repetitive work for you, so you can focus on the tasks that matter.